Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This exquisite villa is located in the exclusive gated Caribbean Heights in Rosal and rests between the famous White Witch and Cinnamon Hill golf courses. The architectural design boasts home a commanding view of the ocean and is sited in a quiet cul-de-sac. An inviting foyer leads to an open living area with sliding doors into the patio, manicure lawn, and a mid-sized pool deck. Sit on 0.64 acres. Villa has 4 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms. High-end appliances, full gym with bar and kitchenette, central sound system, 24-hour security, spa, sauna, and a huge master walk-in closet. A separate 2,000 square feet building has a 2 bedrooms, bath, kitchen for staff, and 2 garages. Easy access to hotels, beaches, golf courses, fine dining restaurants, medical centers, and conferencing facilities. This villa is ideally suited for investors or for your dream island home. An adjacent half-acre lot is also for sale. Guys, it's time to see this property. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $2 million or Jamaican $307.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.